update. Still in Pennsylvania. Minor setback. Might be a blessing, but I'll keep y'all posted.
Take us to Alaska, dude. Just take us to Alaska. My brother will fix it.
How much more to Alaska? So here we are in Kyler, Maine, until we get that high pressure oil filter repaired, to be expected first thing this morning. So, wish us luck. And there's the bus. It's also a big truck stop, but not a bad place. They've got a little supermarket. They've got laundry, a bunch of grass area for the dogs to go to the bathroom. They've got a little laundry place, showers. So Matt Brown got a hotel, so we all used it to take a shower. So all is good.